Hi guys, today we'll explain how to purchase BNB on Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open the Binance application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top. You can see a Binance icon, just click on it. After clicking on that, here you will see a lot of different options from these. Click on the option More Services. Now here, you will see the option of buying crypto. In order to buy or sell, you have to tap on this option. Here, you will see two windows. This one is for buying, and this one is for selling, like we want to buy. So that's why we'll click on this. And here is the amount in which you can purchase your crypto. You can also select it by tapping on it. And here choose your currency by using that you want to buy crypto. Once you will select your currency. Here is the option of buy crypto. Click on it. And here you can see BNB. In order to buy it, click on it. The next thing is you have to select your payment method. Click on it and choose your payment method. Once you choose, click on the option Confirm. Now enter the amount like you want to buy, just for showing you. I will enter this amount. Now tap on the option Preview Order. Once you will tap on the option Preview Order, you can see I will pay this amount and I will receive these BNB tokens. The last thing is tap on the option Place Order. Once you tap on it, your order will be placed, and within few minutes, you will purchase BNB from Binance.